Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can do audio input device or route source selection in native iOS application. So let's get started. I am using Xcode 26 and I will be showing you the output on iOS 26. So here you can see I am running it on a real device. So if I just open my app, here you can see I have just have one button. It's called select microphone. If I click on it, here you can see it easily shows me what all different microphones or audio inputs are available for this particular device. So yeah, that's it. So let's get started. So first here you can see I am using UI kit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. It's completely up to you. So here we are importing AV kit as well as AV foundation. Then here we is our UI view controller, which extends AV input picker interaction dot delegate. Then we just initialize this AV input picker interaction as well as UI button, and I have set the title, font and auto resizing, and here we just configure the autos. So here we have created different methods which we call inside view did load, like configure audio session, setup button as well as setup input picker. Then here is our configure audio session. So we just do AV audio session dot shared instance. Then we do audio session dot set category called play and record. Here v mode is default, and here options are allow Bluetooth, HPF, default to speaker and Bluetooth high quality recording. Then we do audio session dot set active as true. So yeah, that's all we do for configure audio session. Then inside setup button we just do add our button to our view. We do some NS layout constraints, and then we do select mic button dot add target, and here we do handle select mic button as well for touch up inside. Then here we have select input picker as well, where we set the delegate to our input in picker interaction. Then we do select mic button dot add interaction, and here we pass input picker interaction as well. Then here on just a click of the button we just call this particular method which we had set over here, right? So here we just have to do input picker interaction dot present. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.